I think it's a reminder that Amazon still has a very large retail business. The focus has been on artificial intelligence, and the story when it comes to artificial intelligence for Amazon is very good when you think about their cloud computing effort and also their ability to improve their cost structure, including for their e-commerce business. But the fact that Amazon is now having two big sales in the same calendar year, 2 years in a row, is a reminder that the macroeconomic climate is challenging, especially for consumer spending. And when you couple that with large multi-day sales by Walmart and Target happening at the same time as this Amazon sale, it's a very difficult retail environment out there right now.
It is, and I just want to correct myself out there. Amazon has lost 6% in the last 3 months, not the last few sessions. But from a year-to-date perspective, it's done very well. And so I wonder, how do you look at some of the retailers that are pushing their stuff through the online channels in the course of the last quarter of 2024? Because this is the period when you are looking at heightened sales and heightened consumer spending activity, if at all, because of the festive season.
Yeah, and I think that, so looking ahead to Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and going back in time, when you think of Amazon's Prime Day held in June, July, it was basically a beta test for their supply chain to make sure that they were ready for their really big sales days, Black Friday and Cyber Monday. But I think what Amazon's doing here for the second year in a row is they're trying to pull forward demand. So I think the expectation is that consumer spending for holiday in the US and other parts of the globe will be soft this year. So they're trying to get a head start on that spend. And I think that that's part of the strategy here by Amazon.
Yeah, I've got to say, Tom, as somebody who watches China for a living, it really reminds me of what you see over there. I mean, there's never not a shopping festival now. It seems like it's just a shopping festival fatigue, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 618, all of those. But I mean, you still remain bullish on Amazon despite its need to do this. What other parts of the business, are attractive right now as far as what it's doing?
So the bullish view on Amazon, again, comes from a lot of what they're doing in artificial intelligence. And I think the story in artificial intelligence, at least last quarter, was, are these large companies getting return on investment for their investments? So you saw kind of a transition from selling picks and shovels to who's actually mining gold. And I do think that Amazon is mining gold. They've been using artificial intelligence for years. The best example is when you search for a product in Amazon, and I recommend similar products. And I think that for Amazon, they have a unique ability to improve their retail e-commerce effort, have more automation at the fulfillment center level. And that's unique and different. So a lot of what we talk about with Google, with Meta, with Microsoft is improving either their search business or their advertising business. And we've seen some suggestions, especially from Meta, that AI is helping that. But I do believe for Amazon, it's selling the picks and shovels with AWS and mining the gold with better sales and profits because of AI. And that's why I'm bullish.